Hey guys, today I'm making something I never made before. It is French onion meatloaf in the crock pot. So you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. This is 2.5, so I'll just use some of that. You'll need onion soup mix, breadcrumbs. So we're going to go ahead and put the beef in. You do have to caramelize onions, and they are on my stove right now. I'll show you those in a little bit. All right, there's our beef. We're going to add the 1 packet of onion soup mix. And we're going to add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. We're also going to go ahead and add 1 egg. And then we're going to mix it. I'm going to mix it with my hand and try and get it all pretty well incorporated together. Okay, we're ready to put it into the crock pot. It's said to just form it into a loaf and put it in the crock pot. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to form it into like a loaf shape, I guess. I don't know if I would have used all of this seasoning, but let's see how it is, and I'll edit my video and let you know if you should use that much. All right, I think I have it in kind of a loaf shape, so we're going to go ahead and check on the onion. These are the onions that are still in the process of caramelizing. They are not ready to go yet. They could take up to about 30 minutes. So it's just onion, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and you just let them cook really slow until they turn brown and crispy and super yummy. All right, the onions are almost done, and I'm going with it because it's getting late. And at this point, we won't be eating dinner until 7 o'clock or so. All right, these guys are going to go into the crock pot with the meatloaf. Right, the onions are going to go in all over the meatloaf. And then you're going to add 1/4 cup of beef broth. And also then after this, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and cook it on low for 6 hours. All right, I'm not going to measure my Worcestershire because I love it. It did say 2 tablespoons though. So that's that. And then we are going to put the lid on and let it cook for 6 hours. So I will see you guys in 6 hours. I'll be back. Okay, we have some shredded Swiss that we're going to top the meatloaf with, and the finished product. All right, I'm going to pull it out and cut it up, and we will see. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. You've got your melted Swiss and your caramelized onions that it was cooked in. It doesn't quite look like the AI image, but let's cut it up, and there it is. Looks pretty good. Now the taste test. All right, overall, it was really good. Just use less of the seasoning packet. Thanks for watching.